Everyone. On my May 7th video, I gave an update of how the lavender hardening went, and today is June 6th, so it's been about a month. And if you were following that video, you would have seen that some of my plants got ravaged by some kind of critters. I don't know if it was rabbits or mice or what it was, but several large branches of the lavender, large relatively to the size of the plant coming from seed, they were knocked off. And if you still got patience up to this point, I put them in small cups of water with some rooting hormone and gave them another chance to see if they would root. And some of these have some really beautiful roots that have taken off. There are some others that still haven't rooted, and I just cleaned up my containers. There was some algae growing, so I freshened up the water and cleaned out the cups to help some of these be encouraged to grow roots again. So some of these could likely be planted. It's actually lower maintenance for me to keep them inside in the cup of water, but some of these are getting large enough that I could plant them outside as long as I continue to keep them moist and don't let them dry out. So if you've got some patience and have done the work growing these from seed, I would highly recommend you give it another chance if any branches have been knocked off to root them in water.